Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use the colors that I used in my previous pour. I added Phthalo Blue, so I have Naples Yellow, 24K Gold, Naples Yellow Red, Red Violet, Pearl White, Phthalo Blue, full card. I always forget, I have to check. Full card Color Shift Aqua Flash. Love this color. And Blue Violet. And I will do a wandering straight pour today. I like to go back to basics, because those are the things that I did when I first started pouring, and I still like it, so want to do that today. So I will do 2 layers of those colors. Okie doke. I will start in the middle, try to go a little bit around, and then like that, I don't know. Let's see. And I'm pouring kind of slow from up high. To get those feathery effects that I really like. add some flow extender here. Definitely want to keep that, so I will go this corner first, because I want to keep that gold part there. And now I will walk that white line. I don't like, so I'll tilt it off. I think I'm done. I just want to stretch this bottom part a little more. I'm kind of tempted to tilt this part off, but let's see. Yeah, I'm done. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let me take it down. This part here. Oh my God. I just hope that I will be able to show this on camera. All those tiny lines and shimmer. Gorgeous. Oh, like that. You see? This is so beautiful. And I'm really happy that, you know, it's kind of, you know, here is different design and here is different design. So I'm really happy with this painting and can't wait to see it dry. So yeah, wow. Stay tuned for the dried results. So here she is dry and she's gorgeous. So many amazing details. And the shimmer, I love how 3D this part looks with all those lines and the shimmer and this bottom part. It's just gorgeous. So yeah, with simple, basic, wandering straight-forward technique, you can create an amazing abstract piece of art. Just with my humble opinion. Yeah, so this is it for today. Tell me what you think about it. Have a nice weekend and see you again on the next one. Bye.